Welcome. Thank you for visiting. If you enjoy our content and want to stay updated with the latest tips, ideas, and inspiration, please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the like button and turn on notifications. Join our community and be part of the journey. Thank you. His innovative display features a wall-mounted wooden scrap, transforming simple materials into a stunning decor focal point. It's perfect for adding a personalized touch and showcasing your creative spirit in any room. The wooden scrapple offers a rustic, natural charm that enhances your home's warmth. Use it to hang photos, crafts, or decorative items, creating a versatile and dynamic space. It's an easy way to infuse your home with character and style. This inspiration hub encourages sustainable decor by repurposing wood scraps into beautiful art. It's an eco-friendly choice that adds texture and visual interest. Plus, it's customizable, allowing you to arrange your favorite pieces effortlessly on the wall. Elevate your home decor with this unique Sari 11 craft idea. Personalize it with colorful accents or keep it minimalist for a modern look. It's a practical, stylish, and meaningful addition that maximizes your home's flavor and reflects your personal taste. Thank you so much for watching and supporting us. Your support means everything. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the notification bell. Join our community and be part of our exciting journey. Thanks again.